Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan ramen. We'll begin by building a deeply savory and aromatic broth using a combination of dried shiitake mushrooms, kombu, and fresh ginger. Simmer these ingredients for at least 30 minutes to extract maximum flavor, creating a robust foundation for your delicious meal. This initial step is crucial for achieving that authentic ramen experience. Next, let's talk about noodles and toppings. Select high-quality vegan ramen noodles, cooking them according to package directions for a perfect al dente texture. For toppings, consider thinly sliced scallions, vibrant bok choy, corn kernels, and marinated tofu. Quickly sauté or blanch your vegetables to retain their crispness and bright colors, adding both visual appeal and diverse textures to your bowl. Now for the exciting part. Assembling your vegan ramen bowl. Begin by placing your perfectly cooked noodles into a large bowl. Carefully ladle in the hot, aromatic broth, ensuring it fully submerges the noodles. Arrange your prepared toppings artfully on top, creating a visually appealing and balanced dish. A drizzle of sesame oil or a sprinkle of chili flakes can add a final touch of flavor and aroma. To elevate your vegan ramen, consider a few key tips and variations. For an extra layer of umami, whisk in 1 to 2 tablespoons of white miso paste into your broth just before serving. Experiment with toppings like roasted seaweed, bamboo shoots, or a dash of chili oil for a spicy kick. Don't be afraid to get creative and personalize your bowl to suit your taste preferences, making each ramen experience uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.